Hey Lily, you want some breakfast? It's very early in the morning. Let's swing by here, and we're actually pulling 1.1 watts, kilowatts. 1.1 kilowatts. And it's about 7:30 in the morning. So you can see it's about 7:30. And there's the missus. She's cooking breakfast on the solar. And I've made my coffee on solar power. You can see the steam. And here's my coffee. I'm just gonna throw this up in the air. Looks like Lily's trying to scoop something with that barbecue spreader. The other part to it's right here, I think. So. Good morning, Lily. You enjoying that? Well, good morning and have a wonderful breakfast from Guns, Games, and Racing. I'll holler at y'all later.